Tej, what is the investment philosophy of the Kings of Capital PMS, and what is the process for stock selection?
So our overarching philosophy remains pretty similar to what we've done in CCP as well as LCP. That is, number one, companies with high quality accounting, high quality corporate governance. Number two, these companies should have in the past demonstrated that they have the ability to make returns on equity well above cost of equity. And number three, they should have high barriers to entry, high sustainable competitive advantages. And our process to create a portfolio of such stocks is, we started out with about 95 to 100 companies, all of them from the financial sector. So these were banks, NBFCs, general insurers, life insurers, asset managers, brokers. And then we ran them through our forensic filter. We eliminated about 35 companies, so about a third of our universe got eliminated by way of our forensic filter itself. These were companies which did not have high quality accounting. Then on the remaining 65 companies, we applied our capital allocation. Again, about 35 companies got eliminated at this stage. And then on the remaining companies, the remaining about 25 companies is where the research team spent most of its time. And on these companies, we of course went and met management teams, board of directors, people who were previously on the board, and tried and corroborated what they told us by speaking to people who were working on the ground. So for example, in the case of banks and NBFCs, we went and spoke to branch managers, credit officers. In the case of insurance companies, we went and met actuaries, insurance agents, brokers, so on and so forth. And over here, what we try to do on these 25 companies is establish whether they have sustainable barriers to entry, high competitive advantages. So that is how we've created a portfolio of about 12 stocks. It will be a 10 to 14 stock portfolio with our philosophy of high quality accounting, high barriers to entry, and high ROEs well above cost of equity.